Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make page break in Google Docs document. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with many pages. Sorry, one pages. Now I insert many pages. Press Ctrl Enter to insert page. Now go to first page. Now I make page break in Google Docs. Move your cursor end of this page or end of this text. Now go to insert menu. Now you can see here are break option. Now click page break. Now you can see I break my page or create a new page mainly. Now you can see I make page break in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.